Okay, we're done here at the Pistol Range. We're going home. Thank you very much for watching. Now, what's our travel back home? Enjoy the trip. But unfortunately, I was wounded. But it's only a little scratch. Okay, then pass behind. Okay, mate, let's go. Doon may band-aid na doon sa baka.
Yan ba paano diyan sila bumabaril?
Yeah, yan sila open open range, yeah. They have a long gun, eh. Sa loob is only pistol. Yan, oh, they have a long gun. M16 or shotgun. Okay, we're heading home, ladies and gentlemen. We're done with P2K at Willow. Was it, Mami, Willow Drive or is this Willow? Yeah, Willow. Yan, may nahulog yung mga bato na yan, may madaming mamatay. Normally pag umulan, may, di ba?
Kung lumambot ang dinidikitan nila, lupa, pero hindi pwede.
Bilis namin, no? I spent only 25 minutes, man. Right? 25 minutes.
Yeah, madali nga lang.
We just arrived at 10.
Kaya sabi ko, ba't ang bilis mo?
Sinubukan ko yung the one that I bought. No good. Mas mabuti ang 45. Talagang 45 na is very reliable gun.
Ba't yun
parang no power. 9mm has no power. 45 talaga is the best gun because the bullet is big, eh? Laki ng bullet nun. Okay, stop. Do not engine brake. Attention tracker. Wow. Okay, pwede na. Whew! Thank you, mate, for coming with me. But ito ba yung tsura ko? Para akong rabbit. No,
nakawag pa rin.
Diba sabi mo ganyan?
Yeah.
Oh, fine. Daliri lang yan.
9 to 3. Parang relos.
What?
Parang relo. Ito parang lang relo. Noon 9 to 3. Yeah. Sa driving is 9 to 3.
Walking the dog. Wow, that's a German Shepherd, eh?
Yeah, this is
German Shepherd.
Willow Glen.
Willow Glen?
Yeah. Willow Glen Drive.
Sila Belen, madalas dito, right? They drive every weekend when they go to Sequan.
Oh, safe. Kasi siya nag-drive, safe na ito sa kanya.
But when you take Uber, may it's about $45 or $50.
Kasi mahaba itong
Yeah. This is expensive. And then your gasoline, you might spend 1/4 gallon. Look at this. Yeah, 1/4. seems that when you want to go home, when you go home, at least the road is shorter, huh? But when you go there, it's a little bit longer. Why? Kona, Hyundai, that's the car of your daughter, Mary Ann and Nick. But the color is white. I don't know why they buy small SUV. They spend $35,000 for an SUV like that.
Pero handy nga naman kay Merian to go to work every day.
I think Trump is in Minnesota.
Ngayon?
Yeah, so that's why we can. Cuyamaca College Drive dito. Ayan, Cuyamaca College. mall, nandun pa sa dulo. Tahimik ka lang dyan. Ano pa? Exit. Napunta ng pier sa Talutan. I was ashamed of myself. I don't know why. He said, no, don't worry. I know the... just be quiet, okay? I know where it is. I know.
Alam ko na yan. Sabi ko.
Ano na yan? Exit tayo ng Viejas. Talo tuloy tayo sa Viejas. Yes na yan. We are now in Hamasya Road. So when you take this road, May, you will exit at Paradise, May? Resta Paradise?
Yeah, dun sa ano ito. That,
With Kmart. No, not
Dun
Kmart.
sa
With
Swap Meet.
Swap Meet, yeah. There's a lot of people taking tests, May. Sa loob.
sa
Sa loob. You have to-
Maryland?
Yeah, you have to take the test before they can give you a membership card. Uy, may patay na doon, no? Fox. Fox. Dixie Line. So, Annalie has an appointment here, May.
Yeah.
This to the rep.
Yeah, over there.
Villa Mercado, ha? Villa Mercado.
Avocado, ano ito.
Avocado, may. But this is Mercado.
Oo, ka dito, pero galing doon mag-exit ka sa avocado.
Avocado. Okay.
Yeah, yes, American car.
Junction 125. Is that south? Ramp is closed. So where are we gonna exit? Oh. Wow, what happened? Saan mag-exit niya?
I don't know.
Dito.
There might be here.
Where's the exit?
May lemon grove ba dito?
Lemon Grove yan.
Yeah, kung lemon grove, and then babalik ulit tayo sa ano.